Ki Khubor Ka Bate Se TV.
ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Ki bahayang sem jong kasonam raku vanci kila ong ba kinom tre ban bu noy sait ain nak benta kasonam uhun men jong ka govin ruka vanci ula ong ba kidon kuma khatsan ngut kinoy sait ain gibla phone ye u ba ki kwa ban yasaj nak benta kasonam handrai tre bot ula ong yaki apshua govin ula ong ba kaying kasem kanam bu noy sait ain tat adu bakin dayo ban yakran markmat bat kasonam habagilat patai kubor ki bu jingkeli govin ula ong panadu mensua ula dep keren ya kata ba unom tre ban bu noy sai an bat mentaru kwa ban bu noy sai an tak sonam ndai kwa bagi bahing kin ya kendu syam markmat ba sonam khnang bagin yo ban kali ban tokit bnia ya ka ei balajia bat hadin kata un sapet lada donkam ne em ban bu noy sai an kumban sipan kan mau hang ni ba hadu menta ki syakem halor jingsya peniap raja rakhubansi kidon prangut bat kita ki prangut ki kantup ya sonam rakhuvansi kalok jong raja raj khushwaha usamla jong sonam u akash rajput u vishal chauhan u anand gurmi u sailom james u lokendra singh tomar u trying bak sonam ga sawai ban ritngen indoor bat u bila nong apara ha ying jo lokendra.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.